What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. Wanted to show some interesting developments with the latest of Crypterra. My last few videos have been around what's the current status of their issues, what are they posting on social media. So I've got a couple other things today to show you with respect to what's going on. Before I hop in though, I will just show you that they are still paying out. I've taken 2 withdrawals basically in the last day, both of which have had some serious amount of money they're sending out. So this first one was for over 5.5 Bitcoin, and it went out to 903 different people. So, well, I shouldn't say different people because I had 2 transactions in this, one for Bitcoin and one for Ethereum, but they were batched into the same Bitcoin transaction here. So again, I don't know if they are a scamming company, but they are still paying me, and when I'm getting paid, I'm not getting scammed. So I'm just letting you guys know they are still paying out. I know people are frustrated with getting their hash power added. I got a couple things I'm going to show on that in a little bit here, but they paid this out. And then late, or I guess early this morning, I took another withdrawal that was processed for the whole batch of people, 561 wallets. They sent over 4 Bitcoin. So these numbers have been going up drastically. When I first started doing these, like, I don't even think it was 1 full coin. So I think that's another, proof in the pudding that they are growing exponentially. This used to be less than 100 outputs, less than 1 Bitcoin, and now they're sending 10 Bitcoin in less than 24 hours to basically 1,400 different addresses. So that just shows you that they truly are scaling with the number of users that are on their platform. So they are still paying out here. I've got another transaction between both my Bitcoin and Ethereum contracts that are getting batched right now. Tomorrow I'll do an update to make sure that those get processed and paid as well. Not much else on here. There was a couple complaints which I covered yesterday that the amount of coin that people are mining was reduced. It looks like they've since fixed that problem because my numbers are back up to normal. So make sure you just go check that and make sure all your coins that you're mining are coming in at the same rate as they were a couple days ago. So we'll hop over here to this page, which there's been some controversy around. Is this the real page? Their website doesn't even have a link to a Facebook. It only has a link to Twitter and Google+. And as you can see, they have added back this send message button. I tried to send them a message this morning, was unsuccessful. They haven't even read it. So you can give it a shot here, guys, if you want to try to ask them what's the status of my ticket or whatnot. But there's been some controversy, and it was mostly around this link right here. Now, I don't remember specifically, but people say that it used to say cryptera.co, not .net. And if you look at, and what they were saying is that it was redirecting it to someone's referral link. And if you look here, this is just a checker that tells you what is it referred to. Cryptera.co gets referred to a couple different places, and it does end up referring it to someone's referral code here. And of course, why would a company's Facebook site have a link to a referral code? That doesn't make any sense, right? So again, I don't specifically remember what this was before, but if that is true, then this is a fake page, and the person that I was talking to that was saying they were Peter Griffin, or whatever they said their name was, not Peter Griffin, that's Family Guy, but maybe it wasn't someone real, but that just makes me scratch my head because I saw probably 20 other people post conversations that they had with this Crypterra account. And what kind of person that's trying to get referral links would I mean, they're trying to pose as Crypterra and give me updates, send me videos. I mean, it must be someone that has a lot of spare time. I know I wouldn't have time to do that garbage, but I guess, yeah, in full transparency, it could have been someone that didn't work for Crypterra and was just trying to get referrals, but they already know I have an account because I'm asking about the status of it, so they're not going to get my referral link. So I mean, I'm not going to, sign up with their referral link. I already have an account. If they knew that, they wouldn't even want to talk to me because they couldn't make money off of that. So again, I try to give you guys what I have proof around and not what's speculative. So I'm just letting you guys know that that's the word on the street. Take it as you will. So that's the redirection. If we hop over to their Twitter page, they have not put any updates on here. The last one was from the 9th, so 2 days ago, talking about the technical issues. Their website has been much faster for me, so hopefully they're actually getting some work done. Now, the last thing I wanted to cover was somebody did tag me in a post here on Twitter. Let me just pull it up here. So they basically, this guy, Lord of the Six, posted this and said, someone posted this earlier on Twitter and said it was someone else's farm from 2016. Looks quite familiar to the video you posted. And, I zoomed in on these really closely and looking for unique things that couldn't be faked, right? And I found a couple things, and I'll actually put a little card up here that pops up so you can go watch the video that has my YouTube video that has the actual video they sent me. But I did notice that these red things right here in the video that they sent me, there are some red things here, and then the other unique thing that I saw was what appears to be a chair back in here. And on the video they sent me, they actually walked around here, and you can see there's a chair here. I can't tell you 100% sure that's a chair. It looks like one. But there was nothing else other than maybe this picture here that I could truly compare. And I mean, I'll give it to whoever posted this. It looks very similar. I mean, even these cables. So my reply to this was, you're right, it looks very familiar. I wonder if the person who claims this is their farm can post the exact video as proof, because, if someone were pissed off about it, show us the proof, right? Don't just speculate. So, thank you for Lord of the Six for bringing this to my attention. Again, I don't only give one side of the story. I try to give the full picture. So, if it was a fake video, and even when I posted that video, I said, who knows if this is legitimate? I mean, there's only like 30 miners here or something. That's by no means could support all the users they have. I assume this wasn't a new extension to their farm, but who really knows? So appreciate that. If you guys have any other updates like this, feel free to put my handle in here, and that way I can see it. This is a new account for me. Previously, I wasn't huge on Twitter, but I've found that it can be very useful in finding stuff exactly like this. So that's pretty much all I had for today. As I said, I can't get a hold of the support team that I used to, but they have turned this back on. They're just not responding to me as quickly as they used to. If they do respond, I'll let you guys know. But again, I just want to recap by saying that I've gotten a lot of negative comments that us YouTubers are only doing this to get referral links. I mean, you guys need to realize I have a lot invested in this myself, right? I have missing hash power in a different account as well. So to say that I'm only in this for referral links is a bit unfair. Everyone's going to lose money if this company goes under, right? So I'm trying to give the bigger picture about what's going on, be it positive or negative for this company, and I'm trying to find out facts. So you got people are speculating left and right. I'm after the facts, not speculation. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. Please, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do so. Like this post and turn on post notifications, and you guys can continue to see this kind of content every single day. So with that, I'll go ahead and wrap up. Hope you guys have a good one. Take care.